how to buy Trump era token. So this token came under the Trump symbol. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's available on the Uniswap, the decentralized exchange platform. So if you click on the pair here, you will be redirected to this page and click on trade on Uniswap. Now, after that, what you need to do, after that, you need to connect your wallet first. So after click on connect, you will see here a bunch of wallets. Select your wallet from here. For example, I will use the Bitcoin wallet. After that, click on connect, and your wallet will be connected to the Uniswap. Now here, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you want to buy with the USDT, and here select the token, the Trump. So just type Trump. Now, as you can see, we have a plenty of different token. To find the right one, just go back to CoinMarketCap. Now go here to contracts and copy the token address from here. And now go back to Uniswap. Now click here. And as you can see, select the base as a network. And now paste the token address as you can see. So this is it. Just click on it, but make sure to click on this to read all of that. If you are ready to go, just click on continue. Now, as you can see, this is our token. Now here, type how much you want to buy for USDT. And of course, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. If you don't, just go back to your wallet and fill your wallet with that USDT to be able to buy it on here on Uniswap. So this is how to buy Trump era token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.